How to enable or disable Show Graphics HUD on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the main settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer. If you do not have Developer, you can turn it on by going into Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down and tap on Developer Mode. In here, make sure you turn on Developer Mode. Then we can go back into Settings. And in the settings here, we tap on Developer. Then scroll down. Now we scroll down to the bottom. And then tap on Show Graphics HUD. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here say the graphics performance HUD shows frame rate, GPU time, memory usage, and can lock performance data for later analysis. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.